So, basically, no line for registration is 11 minutes after the show floor opened, so pretty nice. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if it's finished yet, but that's really cool. Wow. The Crypt Goth Dance Party. Okay, let's check that out if it's not VIP. Or maybe I'll read this and realize it's tonight. And I will be at a different event tonight, so oh well. This is a really nice setup. Oh look, a film festival. That person's been waiting here a long time. More rooms for film festival screenings. Got a panel room. Wonder who's... Yeah, I know, I should have looked. Wow, I'm not used to the event being this big. I'm used to it being in a much smaller venue. This is pretty awesome. Wow, this is a huge tattoo room. I'm not used to them being... I'm used to them being maybe less than half of this, maybe a third of this. Massive. They have their tent indoors. Hello. Always best to use candy as a lower. It just keeps going and going. So much ink. Crazy. Crazy. And there's still one more row. Nice.
One Piece.
One Piece, yes, I have him right over here as a shirt. And that is also glow in the dark for you. Yes.
You know, it's a thing.
I mean, now that we're married,
We've seen these people before. I would never want a lounge fly, but if I did, definitely a candidate. Classic pizza. But why? Flanders. Get stickers too.
We'll keep an eye out. Okay.
So I'm like, wow, there's a lot to see. Hello, sweets. It's another freeze-dried. I feel like I've never seen these before until last May, and now I'm seeing them everywhere.
Yeah, and we got around the corner. We did special candy for them.
Oh, nice. Yeah, seeing some friends. Quick tunes. Oh, sorry. Super dress. Hey, look, it's the Halloween shirt company. Seen them before?
Sorry.
That's all right. That's the
You just
Pumpkin
missed the
Man.
Pumpkin Man.
Oh, I've seen him a lot this year.
All right.
Maybe later.
He'll be around later.
Yeah. Another familiar vendor. We see them at all these shows. Officially licensed cosmetics. Cemetery. Look, it's Murder on Main Street. No. Murder on Main, sorry, no street. Ooh, mummy pups. Bye.
Everything is handmade by her.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, they look so much nicer with the lights on now.
Yeah. So I was worried about the gloss, but it's not that.
No?
It doesn't look too bad.
Oh, good.
That's cool. Oh, the horror.
Everybody throws in their favorite method of death, and whoever gets the highest body count wins. Yeah. Except we took basically that structure, and then all of the rules that we hated, and got rid of them and flipped them.
Wait, I haven't played. Yeah, well, I was doing some party games, so probably.
We got a free arcade over here. Well, pinball anyway. That's cool. I remember this guy from May. Oh my gosh, it's been that many months already. Don't really spend a lot of time in the celebrity areas very much, because even if I'm a fan, like, what do I say? Look, it's Cassandra, otherwise known as Elvira. I was just reading about her because she was the face of Not Scary Farm at one point. Interesting. No quotes. That's weird. $100 cash only. Screw this. Oh, Nick Frost, that's cool. Again, the cash only crap. What's up with that? It's crazy how sometimes some pretty big names are just kind of standing there. And there's Robert England. That is my coverage of Spooky Empire for day one. Because my haunt season is so crazy busy, I don't expect to come back tomorrow, maybe. Not sure. But I tried a live stream, but I did not have the bandwidth. So hopefully it's not like December by the time we see this. But really cool show, really big. History of the Simon the Hyatt. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. And remember, haunt season never ends.